If your Chrome browser is acting strange, loading the wrong pages, signing you out of websites, or just feeling a little slow, clearing your cookies can often fix the problem fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear cookies in Chrome step by step. And I'll also show you a couple of extra options so you can decide whether you want to clear just cookies or other browsing data too. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or your start menu, depending on what device you're using. Once Chrome is open, you're ready for the fastest method. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This shortcut opens the clear browsing data window immediately, which is the easiest way to get to the settings we need. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. Open the clear browsing data screen. Now that the window is open, you'll see a few different options. The most important one for this tutorial is cookies and other site data. Make sure that box is selected, because that is what removes saved cookies from websites. Cookies are small files that help sites remember your login, preferences, and activity, so clearing them can sign you out of websites and reset some settings. If you want, you can also select cached images and files, which can help free up space and refresh pages that are loading incorrectly. And if you want to do a deeper cleanup, you can also choose browsing history, but that part is optional depending on what you want to remove. Next, look for the time range drop-down menu. This is where you decide how far back Chrome should clear your data. You'll usually see options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. If you want to remove every stored cookie in Chrome, choose all time. That is the best option when you want a complete reset, especially if a website is not working properly or you want to fully clear saved site data. After you've selected the time range and made sure cookies and other site data is checked, go ahead and click Clear Data. Chrome will now begin deleting the cookies and any other data you selected. This may take only a moment, and once it finishes, the browser will remove the stored site information from your device. If you were signed into websites, you may notice that you're logged out afterward, and that is completely normal. Now for one final step that many people forget, restart Google Chrome. Simply close the browser completely and then reopen it. This helps make sure the changes are applied properly and gives you a clean, fresh start. If you are having issues with websites not loading correctly, this restart can make a real difference, and that's it. You've now cleared cookies in Chrome. It's a quick but powerful fix for login issues, website problems, and browser glitches. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.